All right, so we need to find the area. So I'm going to write my formula for the area of a triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. So next thing we got to do is that doesn't mean anything unless we've identified the base and the height. So let's say the base is in red here, and the base is going to be segment EF or FE. Then the height is going to be this one in green, and the height is going to be segment FG. Right? So next we have to find what is the length of FE. So it's on a diagonal, so we're going to have to use the distance formula. So I'm going to say, and let's just kind of mark some room here. Distance equals x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And our 2 points are F and E. So F is at -4, -1, and E is at -1, -4. And we can say, okay, well, that's x1, y1, x2, y2. And we're going to start plugging these things in. So x2 is -1, x1 is -4, y2 is -4, and y1 is -1. I'm going to fill in the rest here. So -1 minus -4, so minus a negative is the same as plus positive. So -1 plus 4 is going to give us 3 to the second power. Then -4, again, minus a negative is going to be the same as plus 1. So -4 plus 1 is going to give us -3. And then we're going to take the square root of the whole thing. So 3 to the second power is 9. -3 to the second power is also 9. So we have the square root of 18. So I did that on a calculator, and so the square root of 18 is going to be 4.24. So I'm going to plug that in up here. So the base FE is going to be 4.24. Now we got to find the height. And we're going to divide it by 2. So the height is going to be FG. So we're going to have to do the distance formula again. And this time we're going to be working with FG. So F, again, is at -4, -1. And then G is at 1, 4. So let's label these. So now let's plug in what we know. We know that x2 is 1, x1 is -4, and then y2 is 4, and y1 is -1. So 1 minus -4 minus a negative, that's the same as plus a positive. So 1 minus -4 is going to be 5 to the second power. And then 4, again, minus -1. That's the same as plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is also 5. So 5 to the second power is 25. 5 to the second power again is 25. Add them together, take the square root. And we have the square root of 50. 25 plus 25 is 50. And the square root of 50, let me do this on my calculator, is 7.07. Put that up here, 7.07, and that's our height. So I'm going to finish this off up here. So we have 4.24 times 7.07, and that's going to be 29.97 divided by 2 gives us an approximate answer of 14.98 would be our final answer. That would be the area.